here in the I button, and in the description box below will get complete playlist of discrete mathematics. Welcome to video number 9, and in this video we are going to look after two very important terms, that is universal set and disjoint sets. Okay, very important video. Before I start this video, I would request you to subscribe to my channel, and if you learn something new from this video, or if you are able to learn anything new from my videos, then please hit the like button and do share the playlist of this discrete mathematics with your friends. Okay, in this way only you are going to support me, and I really need your support. Okay, it is just a request. So let us start with universal set. Okay, it is defined as all the objects under discussion. Okay, universal set is defined as all the objects under discussion. You can put any object under universal set. Okay, let us see one example. Let's suppose you have a set A. Okay, that is 1, 2 and 4. So universal set would be 1, 2, 4, and along with these elements you will have some more elements also. Okay, yes, just for an example I would give you one example by showing you in on the Venn diagram. Okay, yes, I am drawing a Venn diagram. Yes, this is my universal set U. Okay, let's suppose here in this we have a set A. Okay, so 1 to 4 comes in this set A, and apart from this all the other numbers, okay, that comes under U. That is, here in this example U is what? U is equals to X, such that X is an integer less than equals to 8. Okay, positive integer. Let's say X is a positive integer. Then the value of X goes from 1 to 8. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if you see among those 8 elements, you have only 3 elements, that is 1, 2 and 4 in this set A. Okay, so apart from all the values, okay, I would be adding one more thing, that is here the cardinal number of A will be always less than the cardinal number of universal set. Okay, yes, the cardinal number of unit set is always greater than the cardinal number of set A. Okay, then only this is correct. Okay, now after this we'll come to the next point, that is disjoint set. Yes, second point, that is very important point. What is a disjoint sets? Okay, yes, two sets A and B. We have two sets A and B. They both are said to be disjoint when, yes, if and only if A intersection B is equals to phi. Okay, this sign is intersection. Okay, yes, we have two signs that you need to know. First is this sign and second is this sign. Okay, this sign is union, this sign is intersection. If somewhere is written that is A union B, it means we need to consider all the elements of A and all the elements of B. But if somewhere is written that is A intersection B, it means we need to consider only the common elements. Okay, only those elements which is common in A, set A and set B. Okay, here we need to take all the elements that is in A and B, but here we will take only the common elements which is in the A and B as well. Okay, so if A intersection B is equals to phi, then set A and set B are said to be disjoint set. Okay, it means there is nothing common between set A and set B. Okay, now we'll take one example. Here we have set A, that is 1, 2 and 3. We have another set, that is set B, that is A, B and C. If you see, the cardinal number of set A is how much? 3. Okay, because all these numbers are, yes, these different values. Okay, these all values are distinct numbers. Here also, if you see in the set B, the cardinal number is again 3, because all these elements are different. Okay, yes, here we have different elements in set B as well. So, but the elements that is in A and that is in B, nothing is common between A and B. Okay, here you can see there is nothing common in between set A and set B. So we can say set A intersection set B is equals to phi. Okay, disjoint set has nothing to do with the cardinal number. Okay, here the cardinal number is same, but there is nothing. Okay, here the members of this set are 1, 2, 3. Here the members are A, B, C. Nothing is common. So these two set A and B are said to be disjoint set. Okay, thank you so much.